The Big Race. A story of teamwork. In a small town there was a school. The school had many students. One student was named Lisa. Lisa was very fast. She could run very well. One day the teacher said, "We will have a big race. It will be next month. The winner will get a big prize." Lisa was very happy. She thought, "I am fast. I can win this race." Every day Lisa practiced running. She ran in the morning. She ran after school. She wanted to be the fastest. Other students also practiced. They all wanted to win the big prize. The day of the race came. All the students were ready. They were at the start line. The teacher said, "Ready, set, go." The race started. Lisa ran very fast. She was in front of everyone. She thought, "I will win." But then Lisa saw something. A small boy fell down. He was crying. His knee was hurt. Lisa stopped running. She went to the boy. She said, "Are you okay?" The boy said, "My knee hurts. I can't run." Lisa thought for a moment. She wanted to win the race, but she also wanted to help the boy. Lisa made a decision. She helped the boy stand up. She said, "Let's run together." "I will help you." The boy smiled. He said, "Thank you, Lisa." Lisa and the boy ran slowly. Other students passed them. But Lisa didn't care. She was helping her friend. At last they reached the finish line. They were the last to finish, but they were happy. The teacher came to Lisa and the boy. He said, "Lisa, you didn't win the race, but you did something better. You helped a friend. That is more important than winning." All the students clapped for Lisa. They said, "Lisa is a good friend." The teacher said, "The big prize is for the best runner, but I have a special prize for Lisa. It is for being kind and helpful." Lisa was very happy. She learned that helping others is better than winning. From that day, all the students in the school tried to be helpful. They learned that teamwork is important. Lisa made many friends. Everyone liked her because she was kind. Years later, people still remembered the race. They didn't remember who won, but they remembered Lisa's kindness. Lisa grew up to be a good person. She always helped others. She taught her children to be kind too. The story of Lisa and the race became famous in the town. Parents told it to their children. They said, "Be like Lisa. Help others. It's more important than winning." This story teaches us many things. It shows that winning is not everything. Being kind is more important. Helping others makes us feel good. We can all be like Lisa. We can help our friends. We can work together. When we do this, everyone wins. Remember Lisa's story. Think about others. Be kind. Help your friends.